Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're working on our zero-turn Gravely lawnmower and we're going to walk you through the proper steps to replace your main relay. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers in the garage now, and we are working on our Gravely zero-turn lawnmower, and again, step-by-step process on how to replace your relay. So let's dive right into it. In your operator's manual, page number 28, they've got it all mapped for you here. Replace relay. Notice relays are interchangeable. Use only quality replacement parts. See service parts on page 20. And with that said, if it's a Gravely, replace it with a manufactured recommended relay and purchase the relay from the dealership where you purchased your lawnmower. Do not go out and try to order a no-brand relay on the internet. In most cases, it will not be compatible and it will lead to additional issues. Again, don't do that. Step number 1, place unit in service position, and that's on page 19 in your operator's manual. However, scrolling above is a link to our step-by-step video where we walk you through on how to configure your mower for service position. And that's very important, so definitely check that out. It talks about chocking your wheels, raising your seat, and etc. So again, take a look at that video if you need help on that. Number 3, determine cause of relay failure and repair condition. The reason they say that is because it is extremely uncommon for a relay to become faulty on its own. Something usually causes it electrically. So in the event that you are replacing your relay, chances are you have something going on with your electrical system and you need to locate or pinpoint the cause of it, whether it is damaged wiring, frayed wired, overheated wires causing arcs. So keep that into consideration. Again, if your relay becomes faulty, something other than itself caused it. Back to the operator's manual. Step 4, install new relay. And here's a pictorial image of the relay, and believe it or not, it is underneath the seat. Let's head to the under portion of the seat. You've got your fuel tank, your battery, your parking brakes, several wires, your fuel hose. However, right here is your relay box, and you've got a little tab right here. You can push that in. As you can see here, this top portion is bolted to the steel frame. So this top case is not going to shift up. You have to push this tab in and shift the lower portion outward. Carefully maneuver it. And as you can see here, you gain access to your fuses and this large relay here. What we recommend is remove that relay, take it to your Gravely dealer, and replace an exact replacement relay. Do not get online and buy a relay that is not going to be compatible. In addition, I want to show you the red rubber grooves here. That is a gasket, and that creates an airtight and watertight seal inside your relay and fuse case, alleviating any chances of moisture building up here. After you install your relay, carefully maneuver it back into place underneath the fuse box and shift it upward until it clicks. Just like that. Verify electrical wiring has not been damaged underneath as well. And that is it. As you can see, YouTubers, that is a very simple and friendly DIY project. Hopefully this helps YouTubers. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be awesome and very helpful to us. And one more thing, we have an entire playlist with several helpful videos on this Gravely lawnmower, and that link is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. You may find some of those videos helpful. Again, we appreciate you watching.